This whole animated template was done from start to finish using Gemini 3. We're talking about the beam animations, the buttons, the logos that are using a marquee animation. We have the hover animation, some of these decorations that are really adding a lot of details to the design, the beautiful typography, and all of this is fully responsive. It works on mobile and desktop. Now, you might have noticed I start with a banger with these templates. They're hugely popular on social media whenever I share it, and people are really excited to learn how I did it. So I'm going to show you the full blueprint. And to be honest, we're about to disrupt a whole industry, a very lucrative one, with how we're using AI to create these templates to a higher degree and much faster. The icing on the cake, we have the Unicorn Studio animation in the background, which everyone keeps asking about. That is one of the top questions that I constantly get. On top of also, what is the recorder, the screen recorder that I always use? Well, it's called Screen Studio. And then you're like, man, what is this disruption we're talking about? Well, we're talking about people selling template from 50 to 100 USD per template, and both on Webflow and Framer. And we're about to launch the same thing on Aura, on top of the fact that we have already a bunch of really cool free templates that people share through a lot of remixes that you can do on Aura. You can see every single day we're getting somewhere between 20 to 100 new templates, and we're about to allow people to essentially sell their templates on Aura as well. All right, so what are we going to talk today? Well, we're going to learn how to do this from scratch. What is the composition of the landing page? What are the animation prompts that we can use? How do we compose it? How do we reference icons that are more unique, logos, buttons? How do we ask for different animations per section? For example, like this little car here, which is fun. How do we make it more unique? And how do we use something like Unicorn Studio to really bring that hero to the front line?